My friend, do I have an amazing shoe hack for you? This is stacked full of bonuses in this video. See this marker right here? We're gonna get to that in just a second. And yes, it's from the $1.25 store, as I like to call it. I'm sure you watched Catherine from Do It on a Dime, and she brought up this right here, laundry pre-wash stain remover. I'm like, yeah, girl, I'm all about that, because look at these white shoes. Like the camera's making them look whiter than they actually are. Compared to these white shoes, these actually have a yellow tint to them. Can you see? Okay, there we go. There we go. It's picking up some of the dirt around here. A little bit back in there, but overall, they look yellow. And I want them white. So, according to her, you just go ahead and put your shoes on there, and we're gonna go in here, and we're gonna spray this with our LA's Awesome Laundry Pre-Wash. Now, don't get me wrong, I do love this stain remover, but for almost 3 times less the cost for more fluid ounces, game on, baby. Let's get the backs. All right, we're going hog wild to here. Yes, we are hog wild. You could even do your laces, but I'm gonna hold off for now because my laces are looking pretty good right in there. It gets yellow. Ooh, yeah, baby! Now stay tuned because we're gonna get to this. This is gonna be a game changer when it comes to your laundry routine. Now, I did not see her do this, but I'm gonna do this because I'm just a little bit doubtful that this is actually gonna make my shoes bright white again and remove some of these stains, just because I've tried everything, hydrogen peroxide, baking soda. I'm just taking a cleaning toothbrush right here. I just wanna work this product into the fabric before we do our next step. So I'm just gonna go around the shoe here really quickly. Man, if this works, I'm gonna be so excited rather than having to make a paste and a lather and all that stuff. I worked that all in. Here's the nice thing. It doesn't really have a smell to it. I don't know if it's because I have a cold, but literally this doesn't really smell like much. Maybe a tinge of Windex I get. Just looking on the back here, I want to see if it would tell us what's in this product, but nope, of course not. Let's see if it's really totally awesome. Now, if you're anything like me, when your shoes are banging around in your washing machine, it's a bit nerve-wracking. So here's another surprise for you. Get yourself a Dollar Tree $1.25 steering wheel cover, and you can tie your shoes together. Put a towel in between to pad in your shoes, and I'm actually going to throw this in with this load of laundry right here. Now, most would agree that you should wash this in a cool or cold cycle. However, I'm going to do warm because I believe it helps products work better. There is some fear about melting your shoes, but I'm not concerned in this case. Now, I will not be using my steering wheel cover today because I do need it for a different video that you'll see here shortly, but I'm going to put it in between all of this laundry right in there as a nice padding. I'm just going to do a quick wash, and I'm a Tide kind of gal. Apparently I should not be filming and trying to do this at the same time. Don't mind me. Back to the whites you go. Now here's where these markers come in handy. I'm just going to put a little note here. Ooh, hitting buttons with my hip. Please remove shoes on my washing machine. You can put anything on here. You could put your grocery list on here. You could put love notes on here. Oh, that's so cute. The best part about these are magnetic. Yes, they are, my friend. Look at this. Dun da da! Now you'll always want a dry erase marker in your laundry room. This is especially handy because I do not want the shoes going in there. As with all things, always check with a small inconspicuous area first. Yeah, baby. Woo! Let's see what happens. Time to take these out. Okay, first sight here, these are very wet. I'm feeling hopeful. I'm just gonna let them dry outside. I could certainly do the blow dryer thing, but mama ain't got time for that. So let's have these sit outside and then we'll look at the final product. Do-do-do. The other option is to buy 2 of these Dollar Tree paper towel holders, place them over a vent, and then stick your shoe right on them. So cute and effective. If you want some additional hacks when it comes to these paper towel holders, I will link that video in the description box below. If we look on Amazon, we can see that these boot dryers retail for $55, $129 for just $2 or $2.50. You got yourself a good deal. In case there's any concern about damage to the laundry or any sort of bleeding with Alays, I'm not noticing anything. The laundry looks great that was mixed in with these shoes. All right, it's been a couple hours. Let's take a peek. Can I just say, I am so impressed with this, and that was so easy. I can see right down in here a little bit. I missed some spots, but they are so much whiter and brighter. Look at that, my friend. They look like my Nikes. Woo-wee! Now, if you want to know a really cool Dollar Tree hack when it comes to these paper towel holders, and no, not for paper towels, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.